So now we are going to move on to reactions of benzenes and derivatives of benzene, such as other aromatic compounds. And the first major class of reactions that we'll see is electrophilic aromatic substitution. So based on this name, what you can imply is that there's an electrophile that is being added to the aromatic compound, and the net result of the reaction is that an aryl hydrogen is replaced with what was an electrophile. So the overall process is pretty straightforward in terms of net result. What's not so obvious is the mechanism as to how it occurs. The mechanism for this reaction is step 1, addition, and then step 2, elimination. So in the reaction, benzene serves as the nucleophile. It is reacting with a variety of electrophiles. We will talk about the specific electrophiles later. But during the addition step, one of the pi bonds, or the entire pi system, right, it's delocalized, of benzene is going to attack the electrophile. And I am always sure to draw out this hydrogen on the carbon that we're adding the electrophile to. That will show that it is now rehybridized. 2 pi bonds stay intact. This carbon here has 1 hydrogen. It still just has that 1 hydrogen, and therefore, since it only has 3 bonds total, there's a cation there. So this intermediate is known as the Arenium ion. And the addition step, where we add the electrophile to the ring, is the slow rate limiting step, because we've taken an aromatic compound and transformed it into a non-aromatic intermediate. This compound, the Arenium ion intermediate, has an sp3 carbon at the site where addition occurred, and thus it is non-aromatic. So breaking aromaticity increases the energy a great deal, and therefore the highest energy transition state is reaching this Arenium ion. However, the Arenium ion is not just any plain old secondary carbocation. This Arenium ion is always stabilized by a minimum of 3 resonance structures. So the way that we will access those resonance forms is by pushing the pi bond that's nearest to that carbon that currently has a carbocation, and the positive charge is going to skip 1 carbon and move to this para position relative to the electrophile. 1 more resonance form involves moving the other pi bond, and the positive charge once again skips an atom and now moves ortho, or 1 away from the electrophile. So these are 3 simple ways of depicting 1 molecule, right, or 1 hybrid structure. The true Arenium ion looks like this, where there's no pi electron density of that sp3 carbon, but the 4 pi electrons are distributed throughout this aromatic or non-aromatic ring. And notice that it's only the ortho para positions relative to the addition site that take on that partial positive or electrophilic character. So that'll be very important for our discussion of electron donating and withdrawing groups, or deactivators versus activators. The location of positive charge, or the location of electron deficiency in this ring, is unevenly distributed so that it's mainly at the ortho and para positions. And so later on, we'll find that electron donating groups on these positions, ortho and para, will stabilize the intermediate, or the Arenium ion. and speed up its formation. In general, because benzene is the nucleophile,